I'm here with Heart of America Prison Ministries and, of course, Virtual Church Media Sister Ministries. Come on in. We've got Bible packing going on. And this is an example of one of the Bibles that we send into the prisoners. And you can see this is a serious Bible. We send in high-quality, lifetime copies of the Word. Here's another example. Just popping through these. Look at this. This is what donor dollars go for when we do Bibles to the prisoners. And we do books into the prisons. Come on in, I want to show you some more. So this is a table where Bibles are being packaged, and we've got address labels and media mail and inserts and wonderful volunteers volunteering their time, talents, and energies. Come on over here. Holy moly. We've got Bible packing tape. We've got the insert that goes in on every Bible. And we've got name labels, and we've got all kinds of things going on. And here's an example over here of how Bibles are packaged and they're taped so that they get in media mail. And this is what we do at Heart of America Prison Ministries, helping change lives one Bible at a time. Everybody's busy. Many hands make light work. Thank you for everything you do. $1 a day, $30 a month will put a bonded leather-bound Bible in the hands of a prisoner. Raise up 12 disciples this year, will you? $30 a month for a year. Help change 12 lives behind bars. It will change families' lives. It will help change a nation. I'm David and Hairabedian, and I approve this Heart Prison Ministries message today. God bless you.